We're back. It's a new day, new evening. Anyway, last time when the battery went dead and I ran out of gas and went home, we was putting the motor in this truck. As you can tell, she's in there. It's not done. We're gonna hang some exhaust on her today. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll find you a spot to hang out someplace and we'll get after it. All right, well, probably as good as it'll get for right now. Get this stuff bent up here to fit, work, and look decent, sound better. By golly, it's looking like they might pull it off. A little bit more. Maybe. We'll get the jack stand here. Looks good. Bunch of marker. Okay, so nice clearance there. Right here. See how that looks. That looks better. Go on the right side of it. Got her heading in the right direction now anyway.
Okay.
Where to put my marker this time? Okay. A little bit more net in. And here we go. Up a little bit there. And back here. Tip it down a little. Draw my road there. Okay, still working that. It's looking for real. Let's just go right there. Heck yeah, I'm digging on it all day long. Sometimes it'd sure be nice to have 3 hands, sometimes it wouldn't. Right now, it's one of those times it would. Alright, so, got up there where we want it. Make it pretty darn close. Yeah. Liking that a lot. There. Oh, no. Looks nice there. Good on it. Okay. Get you guys over here. You can watch this machine do what it does. This thing's pretty cool. See if I can find you a spot up here to hang in. Here we go. Those look like 2 1/4. They are. So that'll go there. That'll go right there. Tighten that dude down and put on the old Expando 7000. Fighting in there now. Go grab my new gasket. See how. I'm liking on it. Looks like it's just right, really. Sweet deal. Okay, we can get this off. One of them. That one, she got a bite. Okay. Now, we need this guy. Move you dudes here. Put you over there. We'll get you tipped down like so. We'll make a 2 1/4 inch plate. Fit a 2 1/2 inch muffler. Because, well, somebody ordered the wrong size muffler. Better too big than too small, I reckon. .5 is, in my world, a little bit more. Just a hair more. We'll turn this a little like that. There we go. I like it right there. All right. You guys get the gist of it. I'm going to be a little bit doing this, so I don't want to bore you with all this. So I'll bring you back here after a while when we're doing something fun. Okay. Told you I wasn't going to bore you with all of the boring details, but I'd show you what we come up with. So here we go. She's brand new from manifolds back, both sides. Head pipes, 2 1/4 inch Flowmaster Super 44s. Get this off of here. Out the back. Both sides. Out behind the tires. So, looks good from the back. Nice and uniform. We'll put some chrome tips on it tomorrow. Today. See what time that clock says. That's AM. It's dark out there. No big light in the sky. Tomorrow night, we're going to start this truck. This motor's already run. I know as soon as I hit the key, it's going to fire up. It's got an hour run time on it. A little over an hour. So I know as soon as we touch the key, she's going to be running. We got a little something to put in this area before we can run it. But yeah, tomorrow she'll be running. Go for a drive. That's all I got for tonight. Thanks for watching.